Good morning, everyone. This is Hookah Chef Dan Partridge with a early morning review for you. Well, not really early morning. It's about 10 o'clock. Anyway, it's morning time in beautiful, balmy, and frickin' hot Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm coming to you with a Herbal Molasses review. Soex watermelon. Now, this is a Indian-made brand. Comes out of Mumbai. And I find that the cool thing about it is that you're always wondering if you'll have some spare mouth tips or something. And in each pack of these, you get four of, now let me give you a second. There we go. Sorry about that close up. These mouth tips, you get four in each box. So if you have a 3 or 4 person session, but only one hose, you get everything you need to go it. And that's pretty cool to me. The only downside is that they don't stick in very well, because as soon as you stuff them in there and pull your mouth on them, they tend to just pop out. But it's a little convenient, nice thing that you can get. Now I am doing this on my, have a look there, my Zahrah Spade hookah, if you can see it that well. It's got a green cocoa flame hose, ice in the base with water, and on the top, originally I had a Hookah John flavor saver, and that was actually hindering some of the smoke, so I took that off and added 3 titanium flats and the 80-foot 80 bowl and a typical moderate pack with holes on the top. So on the first initial draw, it was very candy-like, and the best way I can describe the other flavor I was getting was artificial and pastel. I don't know how else to describe it. But it's been on there for a little while now, so let's give it a draw and see some clouds. And cloud output's pretty good, as you can see. I think maybe the reason for the throat burn is because I did take the coals off of the flavor saver and put them on the foil. They're halfway off, but maybe that's still a little too much heat. But the flavor, let's give it another hit. It has more of a candy watermelon flavor. It doesn't really taste or smell like fresh watermelon, and I didn't really expect it to, because it's hard to replicate that smell and taste. Kind of the same thing with pineapple. But as you can see, even from the hose, it's kind of still just, it's got a dense smoke out of it. But it's a good flavor. It's not overpowering, and I'm actually discovering as you take your draws, it's getting very floral. It has more of a flower. That's the word I was looking for, not pastels, more flower. And that's not bad, actually. So, I'm going to give this one about an 8 if you have a 1 to 10 scale. And I tend to like things from India and the other Middle Eastern countries like that, because just the food alone is awesome. And other than that, it's got a good flavor. It'll last you a good 1.5 hour session in a bowl of this size. And I'm going to be doing other flavors as we go along, so I hope you found this little review useful, and I will talk to you next time around. Have a good day, and as Paul would say in his hookah.org stuff, happy smoking.